Hey guys, this is Jim. I'm in for Wall Street Hustler, which can be found at wallstreethustler.com. Today is Sunday, May 15th, 2011. Hope everyone's doing fantastic out there. This is a video chart presentation on ARWD, traded on the pink sheets, the OTC basically. So here we go. We have the 6-month chart, and I turned off the logarithmic scale because I did want to show logarithmic scale does this the crunching of the chart. It squishes the chart a little bit on us. This shows us the true pricing and what's been going on in the last several sessions here, last 6 months rather. And I did want to just be able to show you some support and some resistance points utilizing that. So let's get into it now. One of the things I really wanted that just really stood out for me was this accumulation distribution. I mean, look at this thing, guys. I mean, this thing's just been steady accumulation over the last several sessions. And even the last one or two, you can see it's really been had a nice serious uptick in accumulation, and certainly that is evident in the volume. You can see here the volume has been super high the last 3 or 4 sessions compared to the last couple of months. So volumes are picking up. We have accumulation happening here, so definitely some bullish signs there. MACD's looking nice here. As you can see here, we've had black red lines. Just a nice steady upward trend here, and with a positive histogram. We're not seeing that overbought condition yet. It'd really have to come up to here, guys, to like the 0-1 level in order to call it overbought. Plus, we also have not had that divergence yet, where we had the pinch and the divergence yet. So, if we have some more price appreciation coming up, I would expect that to happen, and that could be a very bullish sign. The RSI, as you can see here, 64.17, still in that nice range. It did bounce off, well, it didn't bounce off to 50, but showing a little bit of a strength here off to 55 or so. Historically, this has been in the power zone, which is above the 70 to 90 mark, so we certainly have some room here to head north possibly. I like the fact that it's closed right here at the 200 DMA, which is at 0.045. Actually closed a little above that, but it's definitely showing nice support there at the 200 DMA. That's always a nice positive thing to see over a long-term indicator such as that. One little thing I didn't want to see was the closing here in the upper end of the Bollinger Bands, but it's not outside or crazy above it. It doesn't concern me as much because you do see the Bollinger Band starting to head north too. See, as you can see here, they're starting to show both sides. The one side of the Bollinger Band and the other are both heading north too, so still looking pretty nice there. Definitely have some nice support here at, let's see here, roughly about 4 cents or so. Showing some decent support here. That's a good sign there. And however, on the resistance side, looks like we got bust through that nickel, guys. 5 cents here looks like it's a kind of a decent area of resistance. I think I would suspect once some news comes out or show some really some crazy volume here, I would suspect that this would punch through 5. And the good news after that, I mean the next area of resistance, then you're looking at about 7 cents. So tomorrow, if you can have some I don't know, some news or some massive buying coming in here, punch through that 5 cent mark. Looks like we have some clear selling all the way up above 7 cents. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it, and hope you enjoyed this presentation. I did want to remind you that the information contained herein has been compiled from sources deemed reliable and is accurate to the best of our knowledge and belief. However, wallstreethustler.com cannot guarantee as to its accuracy, completeness, and validity, and cannot be held liable for any errors or omissions. Furthermore, wallstreethustler.com is neither an investment advisor nor financial advisor, and no information provided here is to be interpreted as a suggestion to buy or sell securities. Please visit their disclaimer page on the website at www.wallstreethustler.com for further information. Have a great day. Bye-bye, guys.